Chhuk TV. Like and subscribe.
Good morning, kids.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
We are fine, teacher.
Very good. Today we are going to learn something very special.
Vowels.
Can you all say out?
Vowels.
Excellent. There are 5 vowels in English. They are
AEIOU.
Let's say them together. This is A. A for apple. Can you say A for apple?
A for apple.
This is E. E for elephant. Can you say happed? E for elephant?
E for elephant.
This is I. I for ice cream. Can you say pow? I for ice cream?
I for ice cream. For ice cream.
This is O.
O for orange. O for orange.
U for umbrella. Can you U for umbrella?
U for umbrella.
Now let's repeat all vowels once again with a rhyme. Ready?
Yes! AEIOU. Vowels we know, yes we do. A for apple, red and sweet. E for elephant, big feet. I for ice cream, cold and nice. O for orange, juicy slice. U for umbrella, when it rains. Learning vowels is fun again. AEIOU. Now we all can say them too.
Great job, kids! Parents, please like and subscribe. Learn and grow together.